In today's video, I'll show you how to verify a Twilio number. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Twilio tips and tutorials. Verifying your number in Twilio is an important step. It makes sure your number is ready to be used safely and reliably across all Twilio services. Start by logging into your Twilio console. If you haven't already created an account, make sure you sign up first and verify your email because that's required before you can access the console. Once inside, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard if you're new. On the left-hand menu, look for the account section. Then click on Verified Caller IDs. This is the area where Twilio manages the phone numbers you want to use. Next, click the button that says Add a new caller ID. You'll be asked to enter your phone number in the E164 format. That means starting with your country code like +1 for the US, followed by your number with no spaces or dashes. Double check the format to make sure it's correct. Once the number is entered, click Verify Number. At this point, Twilio will place a call to the phone number you provided. Answer the call and listen carefully for the verification code. You'll be asked to enter this code during the call. So keep a pen and paper handy or be ready to type it quickly. When you enter the code successfully, your number will be added to your verified caller ID list inside Twilio. From now on, you can confidently use that number across Twilio services without restrictions. And that's it. Verifying your Twilio number is quick, secure, and make sure your setup is ready for action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to follow Twilio tutorials.